Namaskara Bangalore. Hi everyone. Namaste. Salam alaikum. Today is Tuesday, August 16th. Time is about 10:50 in the morning. You must be wondering, what am I traveling on? So this is my car, and I'd like to thank the Lord God Almighty for this wonderful opportunity to ride today, or drive today rather, with my close friend. We suddenly planned to go on a picnic, so we took out a car, and it's going to be exciting drive because we're going to Vatadhahosa lake, which is after Chikabalapur, and the main interesting part is we're going to cook there. So we're going to we brought a camping stove, and we're going to cook biryani, which is not a traditional biryani, but it is a biryani kit which you get in tender cut, which is ready-made mix of masala, rice and chicken pieces. But the experience counts a lot for us because it's been quite some time we connected, and we thought we'll do this today. So it's about 99 or 100 odd kilometers from my house, and I've already clocked about 38 kilometers, so about 65 kilometers left. And let me introduce to you my friend. So that's Charles for you, and this is me, and this is the car. So we're going slow and steady at 60 kilometers per hour speed, and that's the mileage, 20.4 so far. So that's the map. I don't know if you can see through the glare. 67 kilometers to go and 1 hour 9 minutes. So we covered about 80 kilometers so far, and we got another 25 kilometers to go. So we got to take a left in about 1 kilometer and go inside the village for another 24 kilometers to reach the lake. So if you see, that's a map. So this is the left we're going to take. So this will go inside the village. So another 500 meters and we take a left turn. So Charles, how do you feel the route was?
Awesome.
Scenic route, right?
Yeah.
So this route is really scenic. We got another 15 kilometers to go. Let me turn the camera towards left and right. You'll see a lot of big rock mountains. They've newly laid the road. Last time when I came also, the road was in the same condition, very good condition. I think that was about a year and a half back. This time too, it's fantastic. If anyone wants to do a one-day outing, I would say this is the best place. It's about 2.5 hours journey from Bangalore, depending upon which location in Bangalore you stay. I've been maintaining less than 80 speed mostly 60 to 70, and on the highways I use the cruise control. The mileage of this car is 23.9 as of now, which is an amazing mileage for a sedan. Another 13 kilometers, which will take 20 minutes. So this is the entire, I think it's filled with a lot of water. Oh, so this is completely filled up. And the roads are all broken due to, I think, water overflow. I don't know if you can see, it's almost to the level of the road. Let me show you this. It's also to the house. I don't know if GoPro's capturing that, but it's probably 2-3 inches below the road level. I think because of the rain, it's filled. When we came 1.5 years back, it wasn't this much. We've got another 7 minutes to reach the destination, 5.3 kilometers, and look at this view. It's a small twisty road. Last time we enjoyed a lot in this road on the bike. This time I'm in car. So since today being Tuesday, I don't think any crowd is there, or rather no crowd at all. Because last time when we came, it was a Saturday, and it was nice to see a couple of cars and quite a few bikers. What was interesting is I saw about 4 cars, 4 different families in the, I think, same apartment or such, and they've got their pet along with them. 4 different dogs, Lab, German Shepherd, I think Golden Retrievers, and some of the 4th other breed, and they all were just having fun. They were just jumping into the water, playing. It was so nice to see. It was you know, a view, a treat to the eye. Yes, that's the lake, Charles. Can you see that?
Yeah, there are front yards.
So I don't think the GoPro is capturing that, but yes, we will be reaching in about 6 minutes. So the plan is to reach there. First, prepare soup and drink. That's North soup, and then probably black tea, biscuit till our biryani is prepared.
Yes.
So Charles is a master chef, and I'm still, you know, trainee chef, I would say. Because Charles is an expert in preparing chicken. That's a big mountain with a lot of trees on it. It's like, you know, cauliflower. This is Vatadhahosa lake for you. I had come here 1.5 years back, wherein we could go up to the middle of the lake because it was not filled with water. But now it is completely filled with water till this corner. So we would get the car down till here, and then probably make this a small campsite for us, put a mat, and start cooking our lunch. So that's the plan for now. So we parked the car here. We got it from that road here, and these are our camping accessories. Hello everyone. Weekday car camping would be like this, with the boot open, all the things down. Biryani is being prepared there in the cooker, and that's a location. So that's Charles for you, and this is where we are camping as of now. It's not a camping, it's like a picnic spot, and we have a visitor waiting for the biryani. So we're going to make some soup here. So there's the gas. I'm going to light it now. So it has to go show. Good, sir. Make it best. Actually, it's okay. You can drink that also. Road side, how much? So it's a Nor soup.
Santosh will have to do some editing.
Ah, it's okay.
Which one, Santosh?
Which one you prefer, Sumit?
I prefer tomato. This is for me.
So we just had soup, nor tomato soup, and now we're going to make the biryani. So this is the rice packet, then this is the masala, Dindukal biryani masala, and in that packet we have chicken. So we have a visitor here. I gave him a few biscuits. Now he's waiting for the biryani. So Charles is just washing the bowl which we drank soup. That's our stove, and these are our cooker and other utensils. Now we are washing the rice. This is the packet which rice came in. This is our garbage bag. So we are carrying back our trash home and disposing it. So that's what we should be doing. 3 whistles, okay. We washed the chicken. Now rice is being soaked. That's the cooker we're going to use. And Charles is holding the masala packet. And that's the surrounding we are camped at. So our friend here, Mr. Doggy, is eager. So that's the masala we added. We have another friend there. We have one waiting here. Yeah, see, this is the spoon we got. We've added water, masala and the chicken piece. Now we'll be adding this soaked rice. Can you empty the water, Charles, from there? It smells so good, the masala and the jeeraga sambar rice. I'm already hungry, and we have a patient guest waiting for us. So I'll start the boil. Now let's close this and fix the whistle. Waiter. Put the waiter. Now we patiently wait for 2 whistles. No, I think we'll stir it again. I forgot to stir after putting putting the rice. Chicken is already cooked. Yes. Now we wait patiently for biryani to be prepared. What a place to eat the biryani. Okay. So the moment of truth, we're going to open the cooker.
No problem.
I think we poured a little extra water, I believe.
No, that's okay.
Okay, we're just going to mix, yeah. I think it's perfect, not too bad. Okay.
But okay, Santosh, no problem.
But biryani smells yummy. So this is bachelor's biryani. So that's our biryani. And moment of truth, we're gonna taste it. You're putting it away? Okay. Smells really nice. Yummy.
Super.
We did it. We did it, Charles. We did it.
Good job.
Now we're going to eat. So we are returning back to Bangalore. We had a wonderful time, isn't it, Charles? We enjoyed the nature, had nice biryani, sat in the nature, had a good lunch, and even gave some to the dogs around. And now we are headed back to Bangalore. I think probably next 1-2 months, or maybe when the sun is hot and less rain, this lake would be a little dry, so you can go inside and enjoy the view and time.